This video is the first in a sequence that will form a tutorial for somebody in using Excel to create a RAG rating dashboard. Now RAG stands for red, amber, green, and it's a way of highlighting areas that are important and need attention and those that need less attention. So for this example, I've got a scenario where I'm managing an education establishment, and I've divided my dashboard into the subjects. Now each subject has a number of students, which is shown in column F, and they all have to complete something. Let's say it's an application for a university or exam entries or something. And as they are completed, the number completed gets added into this column here. Now for each department, they've been set a due date, which is this column here. Now my right hand column is just working out the completion percentage. So it's just working out that, for example, for maths there's 54 students, 12 have completed. That's working that out to be 22%. For geography, with 23 students and 23 completed, that is 100%. So there's a few things going on here. First of all, as the percentage increases, this yellow bar will move up. So if I increase the number of students within maths, we'll see that the yellow bar moves further across, and when it finally gets to the right hand side, it will then turn green to show that that is complete. But what's most interesting is this RAG column here, the green, red and yellow. So green means that somebody has completed everything. In other words, they have 100% here. Red is when a due date has been passed. So today's date is the 4th of the 12th, and the due date is the 1st of the 12th, and this person has not completed. So that's highlighted as being red. It needs urgent attention. Now the amber, or yellow in this case, is for anything that's due within the next week. So the French department, their due date is the 8th of the 12th, so it's in 4 days' time. They haven't completed all of their whatever it is they have to do, so it's showing up as amber. All the rest are green because they've either been completed or their due date is more than a week away, in which case they have plenty of time to do it. So in the following videos, we're going to work out how we can create something similar with basic Excel skills. Now you may not use this example exactly, but the skills that we learn here can be useful in various different ways. And one of the beautiful things with Excel is making the information, making it quicker to see when there are issues. Because if you can see when there are issues and you can act upon it, that's when tools like Excel really come into that element. So in the future videos, we will look at some of the functions like the now function, some basic if statements, something called lookups, the conditional formatting to create the bars that go across here, and the formatting to create these RAG rating traffic lights that you see there.